welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Walmart haul for you all, and today we spent $110.99. So first of all, I'll go ahead and give you guys our menu for the week. This week we're going to have Jalapeno Popper Casserole, which is a keto recipe, and then a chicken and spinach crockpot meal. Both of those are dinner options. Then we're also going to have a couple of different options for lunches, one of which is a turkey taco salad. The second lunch option for my husband and I is going to be egg roll and a bowl recipe, which is also another keto recipe. And then for my girls, I have a bunch of wraps around the house. So I'm going to make them some turkey taco wraps, and then I have a couple of snack options for them. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that as well. Okay, so all of these canned goods are not part of our meal prep. My husband just wanted to stock up on these a little bit because there are some food shortages right now, if you guys have not heard. And so prices of things are spiking. So he just wanted to have a few essentials in the pantry for us, so that, you know, we're not left with nothing to eat, because typically we only buy what we need for the week, and then by the end of the week our pantry and our fridge is mostly empty. So he got a can of these navy beans, a can of black beans, dark red pinto beans, 2 cans of cut green beans, 2 cans of corn, some peas. He got 2 cans of the peas as well. Oh, here's the second can of black beans, a second can of sweet peas, sliced carrots, a third can of peas, and another can of sliced carrots. So that's all of the canned items. This is another option for lunches for my girls that I forgot about. I'm going to throw this with some turkey meat and maybe a little ranch dressing or cheese. I'm just trying to get them to eat, so I try to get creative because they don't like to eat the same thing too many days in a row. Talked to you guys about this in a previous video. We like to keep some mac and cheese in the cabinet just for random lunches for them, just kind of as fill-in lunches. And then we were getting low on rice, so this is just another essential that he got to keep in the pantry. We need some mayo because we're almost out of that. He got 2 things of chicken stock, which is for one of the recipes. This is for his salads. That was one of the items that I think they have shortage on right now, is chicken, so the price is up on that. Now the spinach is for the keto chicken and spinach casserole that I'm planning on making. These tomatoes are for the salads, the cherry ones, and then the whole tomatoes are for one of the casserole recipes. The broccoli is actually to go in the noodles with the mixture I'm going to make for my girls with the dressing and the taco. I'm kind of just trying to make something up and disguise some vegetables in there just to get some more nutrients in them. Same thing with the cucumbers. I will slice these up and put some Tony Sassery seasoning on them, or toss them in something just to kind of get a little more veggies in their food. So this is broccoli slaw for the egg roll in a bowl. And so I guess he decided just to get this instead of regular coleslaw. It's a little bit different. Maybe he didn't know the difference. I don't know. If you guys don't know, my husband goes grocery shopping for me now because I hate it and he likes it. So we kind of switched up to where he goes without me now, which is nice. Today I was actually going to go with him, but then our girls ended up having the sniffles and it's Memorial Day. So he's home today, but we ended up not going together because of their sniffles. We just stayed home. So here is some different cheeses that are for the different casseroles and the salads. So we have a thing of shredded sharp cheddar, some Gouda cheese, Colby Jack, pepper jack. These green onions are for one of the casseroles. And then these Halo oranges are for our daughters. They like to eat these, so these are a good way to get some fruit in their diet. The ginger is for the egg roll in a bowl. This green bell pepper is for one of our casseroles that I'm making. We are grilling tonight some burgers, so this is for that. And then the ground turkey is for all of the items that I talked to you guys about that we're having turkey in. So we're using like 3 or 4 different recipes with turkey, so that's what that's for. And then we have 2 things of bacon. One is for the casserole, and I think he just grabbed an extra to have on hand. If you guys have watched any of our other grocery hauls, we always have 2 gallons of milk for our girls. And then we also got some pretzels to kind of try to encourage them to eat their lunches. Sometimes if I feed them a sandwich or a wrap or something, it's easier to get them to eat if I can like give them a pretzel or a chip after every other bite. So it's one of our tactics to get our toddlers to eat. And then the last thing I have here from Walmart is some Lipton tea. We love drinking sweet tea in this family, so that is our go-to drink, and we needed a refill of that. So I do have one other thing here. These are from Aldi or Aldi, depending on how you personally say it, but I love these. So he stops at Aldi just to get these for me. These are the blue cheese stuffed olives, and these are like the best snacks. Like one of my favorite snacks. I really like them a lot. If you guys saw when I tried the Costco stuffed little mini peppers, these are pretty much on par with those. They're not as creamy because they don't have like the oil and the cream cheese in them. They're just blue cheese, but they're in like regular olive juice, so they're not oily like the other ones are, but these are like just as much, if not more than those. It's one of my favorite snacks of late, and those were about $2.50 a piece, I believe. Oh no, they were $2.99 a piece. So that was $11.96 for these, so all 4 jars of these. So it's a little bit of a premium item, I think, but they are so, so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul and maybe got a few ideas. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, and I will catch y'all in the next one.